Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful here. Wait, what's that noise?
Thank you for riding the CTA Blue Line.
I just took a bite of this jerky. It was so hard that my jaw popped. It feels hella awkward just filming myself like this. I used to make fun of people at coffee shops or airports for having their laptops out because I'd be like, oh, you know, look at me, well, I'm looking typing, right? But like now I'm one of those people. So I'm a hypocrite. Time to board. See you guys there.
All set.
Thank you.
There's the strip right. See that? There he is right there.
Bellagio. You guys already know where we going, man.
Where's that?
Can you read that?
Where are we headed?
Can you read that for me?
Alright, go. First bite.
It smells super heavy of cigarette smoke in here. I think I started progressing towards lung cancer from just smelling that room. You want to tell the people where we're going?
We're going to the Bellage to lose all our money.
Here we are.
Yum, look at
Dude,
that.
this looks freaking good, bro.
Oh yeah. We have one single, and it's a minimum $1 game. Oh shoot.
Oh wow.
Wait.
We lost.
How do you feel?
It was worth $1 to see the things rotate.
This place rocks.
Bailey wants to show us a science demonstration.
Oh my gosh, guys, we're so dangerous and quirky. Like, we're off the main path right now. Like, this is so quirky of us. Right, Bailey?
Yeah, some would call us bra guys. Dang, the water's so clear.
I found where your mom sits.
Wait, that's not nice.
Oh, that's tight.
That's what you said.
You guys.
Let me know. What do you guys think this is? I still don't know. Mood AF when I'm happy. Am I right, guys? Last night, Bailey and I were freezing our asses off because I I accidentally turned off the heat.
I'm like Connor McGregor.
We're here at Golden Canyon and it's windy as balls. Oh my god. Oh.
Dude, it looks like Neapolitan ice cream or rainbow sherbet.
We are in the lowest point below sea level in the United States of America.
What are you about to try?
Some pure granulated salt, like from Morton. Pretty salty. Am I excited to see you?
Dude, they made Minecraft IRL though.
I was like this in Minecraft. Oh, it's actually a dead end.
No, we could scale that. That's very doable. If Alex Honnold can do it, then anyone can do it.
Look at this beautiful sunset. Wow. Alright, we're gonna try to lift this rock.
Lift with your legs, buddy. Ready?
Oh, wait. I'm about to blow a quad.
Look at that view.
I say right foot creep.
What's up, buddy?
The view is pretty cool.
You can see it from there? There's the dunes! Alright guys, so A lot of you may not know this, but Bailey and I last night took a flight to Africa and we are in the Sahara Desert. Bailey, tell me how you feel.
I feel like I want to play soccer with some Qatari people.
These other nice tourists just gave us a sled. He's about to break the world record for land speed.
Hang 10.
I'm Sean Yellow.
Oh shoot.
Oh, there we go.
He's feeling it. This is probably one of the hardest climbs that I have done in a long time. We made it to the top. Oh. What's up, dude?
Hey, Poppy.
Super interesting rock dolomite formations here.
What
You can
is
see you can see the marbling on that. You see that?
It's like Wagyu.
We're gonna walk over there to those
So we're
those
allowed
houses.
to hike.
Bailey said some old man's gonna come out and
Dude, we can 2-on-1 him.
we can tag team on him. Guys, this is actually the HQ of Reddit right here.
Just neckbeards and incels.
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
I mean, guys, just like look at how like vast everything is, you know? Really just like puts into perspective how alone we really are in this planet.
Yeah, that's facts, bro.
Ta-
Got me bricked up. I gotta pee, dude. Golly.
Right now, Bailey's taking a piss outside. He's peeing towards the car though, so I'm not allowed to look. Bailey and I are about to go shoot the stars. Hopefully they turn out well.
Look, your mom's laying on her back.
You're here at Yak in the Box. Bailey, which Pokemon did you just find?
Beep boop beep boop. That's Lunatone. A rock and psychic Pokemon.
You want to know what that looks like to me? It's like, you know how sometimes when you poop and there's like a lot of lines in it?
That is day one in Joshua Tree, and tonight more astrophotography to come. This is the Airbnb. You guys are supposed to put your butthole right there. Oh, we found the game room. Shoot, dude. Wait, so these turn on? There's like a lot of different ones you can do. Bailey is pooping his guts out. A lot of bouldering here for Bailey to do.
Alright, he's getting ready.
We made it to the Arch Rock. It's alright.
7.4 out of 10.
Check out the name of this climbing route.
We are trying to catch the sunset right now. Looks like we're running into some of that LA traffic, right?
Nice.
It's finally time for the challenge you have all been waiting for. Challenge number 6, where we're gonna fight to the death. Also, we met these guys over here, bro. They are the best.
Man's is struggling. Oh, shit!
We just met Logan Paul from Southern Illinois. They just walked up to us with the camera and they're like, yo, other vloggers. They were super nice though. They were super nice.
I'm not gonna lie, this roller coaster does not seem that exciting.
God damn. It was a fun trip, and I'll see you in the next one.